Google has once again disrupted the smartphone market with the unveiling of its latest addition to the Pixel A series, the Pixel 8a. Priced at an enticing $499, this smartphone packs a punch with features that rival those found in premium devices, making it a compelling choice for budget-conscious consumers. Scheduled for release on May 14, the Pixel 8a boasts significant upgrades while retaining the signature affordability of the Pixel A series. Its 6.1-inch OLED Actua display, boasting a peak brightness of up to 2000 nits, promises stunning visuals and smooth scrolling with a 120Hz refresh rate. However, it's worth noting that the cover glass is Corning's older Gorilla Glass 3, prompting users to consider applying a screen protector for added protection. Under the hood, the Pixel 8a is powered by Google's Tensor G3 chipset coupled with 8GB of RAM, ensuring seamless performance and enabling advanced software features like Audio Magic Eraser and Magic Editor. Additionally, users can look forward to accessing Google's Gemini Nano large language model, which offers on-device AI capabilities such as summarization in the Recorder app and Smart Reply in Gboard. One of the most impressive aspects of the Pixel 8a is its commitment to software updates, with Google pledging 7 years of support, a rarity in the sub-$500 smartphone market. This ensures longevity and security for users, along with the convenience of built-in VPN functionality. In terms of design, the Pixel 8a sports a matte plastic composite back and a matte aluminum frame, with sustainability in mind. The device is IP67 dust and water resistant, providing added durability for everyday use. Moreover, Google has introduced new color options like beige, porcelain, and aloe, offering users more choices to suit their preferences. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the Pixel 8a's camera setup, which includes a 64-megapixel main sensor, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 13-megapixel front-facing camera. While similar to its predecessor, the Pixel 8a's cameras benefit from enhancements like real tone, improving color accuracy in both photos and videos. Overall, the Pixel 8a represents Google's continued commitment to providing high-quality smartphones at accessible price points. With its blend of performance, features, and long-term support, it sets a new standard for budget-friendly devices in the competitive smartphone market.